Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, dear students. In this video, I am going to summarize all the topics of unit number 2. I mean the exercise of unit number 2, that is Iqbal's message to youth. Dear students, here on page number 17 you can see the exercise number B, that is choose the correct answer for the following. So I am going to briefly tell you the correct answers for each exercise, for each question. Okay, so the first option is, in the first one the correct option is D, and the second one the correct option is the youth, and the third one the correct option is C, your desire to know who you are and what you want is the real success in life. Number 4, the correct option is D, is taking too much time in making decision. Right, now come towards exercise B on page 17. Use the following words in sentences of your own nation. For example, Muslim nation is the peaceful, Muslims are a peaceful nation throughout the world. Battlefield, the Muslim warrior fought bravely in the battlefield. Determination, a person with a strong determination can get what he desires for. Symbol, for example, Pakistani flag is the symbol, I mean the red color, the white color and the green color in the Pakistani flag, they are the symbols of majority and minorities. Right. Motive, our motive is to highlight the problem that has been faced by the people of Pakistan. Right. Confined, the students must be confined to their own studies only. Direction, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah led to the Muslims of the subcontinent to the right direction. Goals, different people have different goals in their lives. Right. The next one on page number 18, that is prefix and suffix. Prefix is a set of letters that is added to the beginning of a word to change its meaning. For example, happy will become unhappy, agree, disagree, understand, misunderstand, correct, incorrect. Right, guys? The second one is suffix. A suffix is a set of letters that is added to the end of a word to change its meaning. For example, able, like terrible, like understandable, readable. Okay, these are the suffixes added to the end of different letters to change their meanings. Full, like beautiful, needful, helpful. Right. LESS, like toothless, helpless, hopeless. DOM, like freedom. ER, a person who does, for example, worker, employer, writer. Right. MENT, action or process, payment, employment, development. Right. NESS, state of being, like happiness. Right, guys, now come to turn your pages and have a look on exercise A on page 19, that is complete the sentences by writing the correct prefix in the blank space. You can use a dictionary to help you. I just can't believe it. The story is unbelievable. No, that answer is incorrect. It's wrong. Let's look at this information again. We should review it before the test. Number 4. I saw Elena just a moment ago, but now I can't find her. She just disappeared. Number 5. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't hear you correctly. I misunderstood you. Right, guys? Okay. Exercise B is complete the words by using the suffixes from the list. NESS, ABLE, MENT, FUL, LESS. Number 1. Fazila can't stay still. She always wants to move. She is restless. LESS, restless. Number 2. Rashida is very intelligent. She is adorable. ABLE, adorable. Right. Number 3. Maliha can't remember anything. She is very forgetful. Number 4. I appreciate your great attitude. I am really thankful. The best thing about her life is her kindness. Right guys, now come to words page number 21. Here we have to put some pronouns in the blank spaces. Choose the appropriate options to complete the sentences. So for number 1 the correct option is A. For number 2 the correct option is B. Number 3 the correct option is A. Number 4 the correct option is A. Number 5 the correct option is by ourselves. Exercise B is fill in the blanks with who, whom, that, which, when, where, whose, why. There may be more than one correct answer. So in the one, the shop that I go to, that. In number 2 also that comes, that लगाना चाहते हैं या which लगाना चाहते हैं, दोनों ठीक है. I have met most of the people who are, यहाँ पर क्या आता है who. Number 4 do you know the reason why, 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 ठीक है. Number 5 do you remember the town where, WHERE, where you were born and where. Come to words page number 22. Put the following indefinite pronouns into the correct blanks. First one blank space में क्या आता है someone, right. Number 2 में आता है something या anything. I was wondering if you would like something to drink or anything to drink. The family members have been badly injured in the accident. Is there anyone to help them? Seema has just checked the internet. However, she couldn't find the article anywhere. Number 5. Unfortunately, this plant is already dead and there is nothing we can do about it. Exercise D is underline the pronoun in each sentence below. Circle the antecedent the pronoun refers to. Saima walked to the park. She enjoyed jumping on the trampoline. So the pronoun refers to the word Saima. So the antecedent in this sentence is Saima. Number 2. Shama loves to walk on the beach. She watches the sunset often. She is a pronoun and it refers back to the word Shama. So Shama is the antecedent, right? And the third one antecedent is the wood. And the fourth one Abrar, Jamal and Manan, they are the antecedents for the pronoun they. Number 5. The shopper. The shopper यहाँ पर antecedent क्या है? The shopper. The very last topic is anaphoric and cataphoric reference. Anaphoric reference means that a word in a text refers back to the other ideas in the text for its meaning. Like यहाँ पर जो है, यहाँ पर pronoun जो है ये it refers back to the word Saima. So it is called anaphoric reference. While what is cataphoric reference? Cataphoric reference is that reference which means that a word in a text refers to another letter in the text and you need to look forward to understand. अब कैटाफोरिक रेफरेंस में हमने प्रोनाउन को समझने के लिए आगे वाले जुमले में देखना होगा कि कौन सा नाउन यूज़ हुआ है इस प्रोनाउन, मतलब ये प्रोनाउन कौन से नाउन की तरफ इशारा करता है. लुक एट द एग्जांपल व्हेन ही अराइव्ड. ही यहाँ पर प्रोनाउन है. नाउ कैटाफोरिक रेफरेंस है तो टू अंडरस्टैंड ही के ही मतलब किस नाउन के लिए यूज़ हुआ है. तो टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस आई विल हैव टू लुक फॉरवर्ड. तो नाउन क्या है यहाँ पर? अशरफ है. सो दिस रेफरेंस इज कॉल्ड कैटाफोरिक रेफरेंस. Okay guys, that was all for your today's topic. Inshallah the next topic will be discussed in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.